Hello guys, welcome back with my Roblox. So for today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get free t-shirts like me. Look. I got this t-shirt here. Look, they're all free. And this one looks awkward because of this thing, so yeah, I tried to redo it. You guys want it? So let's teach. First, go to marketplace and go to clothing. Scroll until you find classic t-shirts. Press that and pick a t-shirt you like. So today I'm gonna be using this. Take that screenshot. There is screenshotted, and then go to the picture and find the picture you pictured. I guess this was the picture that then zoom to what you want. There anything you want is free. Then screenshot again. Okay, it's screenshotted. Got two. So you need to click the edit. And now click framing. Framing. And then copy what I do here. So like that. Oops. Make sure there's no white in it. Make sure there's no white so it can't be ruined, and then press accept, check, and then boom. Oh, if you see something white look like that, you can see it. So let's fix it that. Then click. Look, there's no white anymore. There's no white. So press save, and then go back to Roblox. And then press more, 3 dots in your right screen in the bottom, and then you need to click create. Sorry. So just wait for a second. Okay, so we're loaded. So here you need to press these 3 dots. Press that, and then press creation. And then scroll, and then you find avatar items. Press that, and then go down. See this? Scroll, and then you find classics. You need to press that. This was the screenshots I've edited. So you need to press upload asset, and then press upload, and then this is where you're gonna press this. You screenshot it and edit it. Okay, press, and then go down and see this. You need to name it because it won't work if you don't name it. Gonna name it golden. Do that, and then here you're gonna press upload. Press that, and then there it's done. Look, you can see it, but you need to wait to load. Let's see if it's here. Let's see. Loading, and then t-shirt. It's not here yet because it's not loaded yet. So just need to wait to load it. So this is the end of the video. Bye. And guys, subscribe. We're almost hitting 100 subs. Please.